Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview 10-foot by 30-inch swimming pool with filter pump. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy metal frame swimming pool, so you can relax your splashing pool party in the backyard. This pool the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. Extra strong sidewalls are made with 3 separate layers of material. The inner layer of polyester mesh is laminated to the 2 outer heavy-gauge PVC layers. It's tear-resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Add a touch of color to your summer family gathering. Product benefits. No tools are required to install. A durable, yet lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. The pool set frames are applied with a corrosion-resistant coating to protect the pool from UV and abrasion damage. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.